Welcome once again. We're back again to look at what we did in the past week and prepare for the new trading week. The past week we were looking at NZD-CAD. That was the first market we did on the past week. And on this market, as you have it here, we're looking for short sells to begin the week on NZD-CAD from this entry level. So we had our first TP here, second TP down here on the H1. So let's see what's NZD-CAD. Let's see what price did on the past week. So on the 1 hour time frame, the H1. So as you have it here, we were looking for shorts from this high. You can see we have this horizontal line. We're looking for sells, and price gave us exactly what we needed to see. And when you look at what price did here, this is never a break. This is never a break. So price never broke the high. Price respected the high, and then we had these whole shots. So we had first TP which was met on this trade. We had first TP which was hit. So from this high all the way to this low here, we have about 150 pips, about 150 pips on this move. So NZD-CAD, we had a good time on NZD-CAD the past week. And the next one that we explained was USD-CAD. So USD-CAD as well, we're looking for shots from this high. We had entry level, this high, and we're looking to continue bearish from this level. We had a price coming all the way down to this low. So let's see what price did on that as well. So USD-CAD on the H1 time frame, and just as you can see right here, all the way from this high, price was right here at the time, and towards the end of the week, price has made it all the way down here. So this as well, we have about 150 pips on this move, and I believe we're looking for price to fully retest this low down here, right? So we had our TP right to this low here. So price has come all the way from this high to this low here. So here we have 150 pips on this move as well. So USD-CAD, we had a very good week as well on that. So 150 pips on this. And the next one after that, we looked at Euro AUD, and here we're looking for a short-term shot on this. And let's see what price did. So this is here, and unfortunately, price did not go her direction on here. Price broke this high and continued bullish. So this is a failed move. Price did not respect this high. We're looking for possible shots from this level here. So price gave us some rejections, and then price reversed to the top side. So this a failed move. So here we had a failed move on that. And the next one after here, we also looked at Euro NZD, EHN from the middle of the week. And EHN, we're looking for short on EHN, some sells on Euro NZD. And let's see what price did. So this is EHN, this is the 4-hour time frame, and when you look at the 4-hour time frame, you would notice that price did something really interesting over here. We had a good rejection candlestick all the way to this high. Very good rejection candlesticks all the way to this high, which simply tells you this high here was never broken. This zone was never broken. That is what that high was telling you. And also when you look at it on the H1, on the 1-hour time frame, this is what we have. And on the H1, you would see price gave us a lot of rejections up here. And all of these moves here, simply confirming that price has not broken this level here, right? Price did not break this level. Price gave us a lot of confirmation. This high was never really broken. That was not a full break of the high. This high was holding, and then price continued bearish. So we had a good sell from the high, and then price came all the way down to our first TP down here. That was our first TP on this trade. And now when you look at the pips from this level the way to this low, we have about 170 pips, about 170 pips on this whole move, right? So EHN also, we had a good time on EHN, about 170 pips. We can round this up to about 150 as well. Depends on your point of entry. If you're able to get an entry all the way from this high, you could make more than 150. So let's round this up to 150 from this level to the first TP level here. So we had about let's call this 150 pips. So TP also was hit on this as well. So that is Euro NZD. And the next one we did after that, we did Euro JPY, EJ. Not EJ, we're looking for sells. We're looking for sells on EJ. We had this high, which was the entry level, and we're looking to continue bearish to this level here. We have TP1 right here, and we have TP2 down here. So let's see what EJ did on that. And this is EJ, and as you have it here, as you can see, let's go to the M30. This is the M30, and as you have it on the M30 here, price looks even clearer and cleaner. All the way from this high, price came all the way down to TP2. This is TP1 right here, and then price continued to TP2. So we have TP1, and also we had TP2. So TP1 and 2 was met on EJ. So we had TP1 and 2, which were tested on this trade. So let's see how many pips we had on this from this high all the way to this low. We have about 250 pips on EJ, 250 pips on EJ, and this trade had a very little, almost little to zero drawdown, right? All the way from this red line, you could see price continued bearish. So that is what we had here. Price continued bearish. So that was 250 pips on that move. And the next one after this, the next one we did was AUD USD. AUD USD as well, we're looking for sells on AUD USD. And on AUD USD, we have this high. And we're looking to continue bearish from this high here. So we have this entry level, and we're looking forward to see price continue bearish all the way to this low down here. So let's see what AUD USD did for the week. This is AUD USD, and this is our move right here. So we're looking to short from this high here, and as you can see, price did exactly what we said it was going to do. Right from this point here, price continued bearish to this low here. So we had our move on this as well. So price gave us this whole move here. We have approximately 60 pips on AUD USD. So this AUD USD also a winning trade. The next one after that, the next one we also looked at. I believe that was the last one for the week, AUD USD. So we had NZD CAD 150 pips, USD CAD 150 pips, Euro AUD failed move, Euro NZD 150 pips, EJ 250 pips, and AUD USD 60 pips. And that is everything we did on the past week. And all of these were fully explained and analyzed before price made the move. So everyone on this platform were able to capitalize or had access to all these opportunities and detailed analysis before price did all of this move. So that was everything we did on the past week. We had about 5 winning trades and just 1 losing trade. So that's just everything on the past week, and let's go on to the new trading week. So